We have a PBA trade pero pending for approval pa, pero gawa na natin agad ng content. Calvin Abueva is going to converge para sa tatlong bangko. Ray Suerte, King Caralipio, and Mark Omega. This trade is straight up lopsided. No question about it. Sobrang lala if ever ma-approve. Guys, alam nyo namang Alaska fan ako, pero that's not integrity right there. Though ang thinking naman ng iba is bakit pag SMC ganyan. So, oras naman nila to do this thing. Like, ayun na nga eh. Alam nating mali. Gagayahin pa natin. We are saving the league. And honestly, nag-enjoy ako sa Philippine Cup. Okay lang naman to. Pero, sana yung may mapapakinabangan yung Titan. Kinuha si King kasi Letran, okay. Nagiging Nepo League tayo eh. Of course, Calvin, Pampanga yan. Si Ray Suerte, nirelease na yan pero nagamit pa. Si Omega, Letran din. Like, ano bang gusto ng Titan dito sa liga, 'di ba? Yes, gustong matrade ni Abueva. Pero Diyos ko naman, payag kayo ganyan lang kapalit. Kahit pang rebuild sa future, wala. May potential yang guy man lang sana. Leading scorer yung mawawala. Tapos yung kapalit sana sa scoring. 'Di ba? Yung magpupuna. Converge, please do something pleasing. Gusto ko kayong lumakas pa, pero sana naman is yung the right way. Kaya nga I like Meralco more right now kasi yung core nila is from their draft picks talaga. Built from ground zero. Tsaka for me, this trade is unnecessary. Converge is one Dave Ildefonso away for a semifinals berth. I think it will mess up the chemistry. I don't know, the touches, the flow. Sa mga nakaraang video, gusto ko namang mapunta talaga si Calvin sa Converge together with Vic Manuel. Pero as a veteran, tulad nung ginawa ni Vic ngayong Philippine Cup. Pero si Calvin kasi meron pa talaga. Gagamitin mo talaga ng heavy minutes. Pero it's a risk. Though wala pa naman si Dave, it can be a good try din. Siguro, yung inaano ko lang talaga dito sa video is yung package. I don't like to embrace yung pagiging tingin ng mga tao sa Converge is magiging gahaman, may farm team, gumagawa ng lopsided trades. Hindi magiging sweet yung championship nila if ganyan eh. Again, I will mention Meralco, 2024 Philippine Cup champion. Sobrang tamis nun kasi years of trying, finally nakuha nila without this kind of package. Tsaka please, Titan Ultra, do better. Get something useful in return. Kahit Shawnee Winston, Ray Suerte, at King Caralipio, palag na yan eh. At least, yung scoring load na may iwan is merong sasalo. Tsaka pwedeng mapagtanggol yung trade. Pero, as per recording this video, is approve na yung trade. Nag-chat sa group chat si Coach Mark. Ay, sa gitna pa mismo ng edit, approve. Ayun, kung ano yung initial offer tinanggap ng PBA. Calvin Abueva is now a 5er Xer. Mga Titan na si Ray Suerte, King Caralipio at Mark Omega. Ayun naman na yung thoughts ko. So, hindi ko na babaguhin na ayun, I want Converge to win pero not this way. Pero sige, good for the league para makasabay ng sobra sa mga big teams, maiba naman, but I will be neutral. Walang team. Forever Alaska lang talaga. Kilala nyo naman ako here, just a basketball fan, a PBA fan. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Egon Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye.